developed in many ways and technology is one of them. So here we present to you with all our hard work, our products, Ulala products. Ulala, Ulala, Ulala.
Hey, stop it. We have not introduced our sponsors only. Our sponsors are Uppildero Colgate, Dina Vadkali Scent,
Pooja Agarbattis.
yeah.
So what are we waiting for? Let us begin. Ulala, 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 Ulala. Ha! Ticket kodi, ticket kodi, ticket. Ticket. Ah, for you, half ticket.
Hey, full ticket man. Can't you see my mustache?
Yappa. Okay. Ticket kodi, ticket. Zoo.
This is not that bus. This is bus memory. So boys and our beautiful sisters, teachers and male teachers, presenting to you our first product, TTMC bus memory. TTMC bus memory with size 10 kilobytes. Hop on it once, get down very next.
Ulala, 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 Ulala. ಯಾರಿನ್ನು ರೋಜಾ ಹೂವೆ ಯಾರಿನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವೆ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್
Good morning, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನೌ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ
Present, ma'am.
ಗುಂಡು ಗೋಪಾಲ್
Present, ma'am.
ಮುದ್ದು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಊರ್ಮಿಳ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ
Hey, what man? Daydreaming?
ಓಕೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸುಸುಮಾ
Present, ma'am.
Stop it, I say. Waipa, what happened? Introducing to you our second product, Bell Register Memory. If you use it in your life, ting tong, ulala, 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 ulala.
Hey, where is my money, man?
Anna, one last time, Anna, I'll give it back in 2 days, Anna, please, Anna.
How many last times, man?
Anna, tomorrow only I'll give it, Anna, please, Anna, leave me, Anna.
Boys, attack!
Stew. Anna, please save me. Jiggity dish. Basha. I am Rajnikant. Yavanda va.
इंद्रनगर का गुंडा हूँ मैं.
I am Rajnikant. I am faster than your own thoughts. I am there in your computer in the name of cache memory. Ulala, 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 ulala. Introducing to you our last and final product, the father board. Appa, I love you, pa. Appa, I love you, pa. Appa, I love you, pa.
This is not father board. This is mother board.
Okay. Zoo. Hey, this is not motherboard, fatherboard.
Hey, motherboard.
Hey, it's fatherboard.
Motherboard.
Fatherboard.
Motherboard.
Fatherboard.
Motherboard.
Fatherboard. Okay. After some confusions, introducing to you our last and final product, the motherboard. Zoo. The motherboard, our last and final product. It controls all the units in computer, just like my mummy who controls all the family members in my family. Mummy!
தும்பி பறந்தது நானும்